So we have two options of how the doctor can review the treatment. The first one is the doctor-facing application, where a doctor can change the offered treatment by a technician or another doctor, and a WebViewer that is web-based, and the doctor can open it on any device to check the treatment, to see the animation, to check attachments, cutouts, IPRs, bite ramps, and pontics as well. Also, it is possible to communicate with the technician here. There is a chat, so you can describe why you want this case to be modified. And also we have a web viewer for the patient. This could be opened on any device as well, so the doctor can share the treatment with the patient. We have this link, you just need to copy and send it to the patient.